Hey there, are you looking for a quick and easy way to simplify your meal tracking in MyFitnessPal? Today I'm going to show you how to use the copy meals from date feature, and this little trick can save you time and make your tracking process so much smoother. So if you're like me, sometimes you'll find yourself eating the same meals throughout the week, and that's totally okay. MyFitnessPal makes it super easy to replicate those meals without having to enter everything from scratch, and here's how it works. You can do this two ways. You can use your laptop and your phone, and I will show you from both. So from your laptop, you're going to go into your diary, and you're going to click Quick Tools. From here, you're going to copy from date or copy yesterday. If you click copy date, yesterday will also be in there, which is what I'm going to copy from. So I'm going to click on it. And from here, all the items that I ate yesterday for lunch have put themselves in. From here, I can go ahead and modify any of the foods. So if I would like to, I can go ahead and delete the cupcake, which I am not going to have today. I can change the portion size of the beefless ground beef that I have to 1 full portion size. And instead of the cupcake, what I'm going to have is a Nugo bar. So I can go ahead, when I'm on my laptop, what I will do is I will Control F and click Nugo, because this is a food that I eat commonly, and then I can add that. So now today's lunch is all set and ready to go for me as well too. Now, if we want to do this on our phone, I have a screen recording here whereby I will show you how to go step by step through this process. So again, you're going to open up MyFitnessPal and you're going to go to your food diary first. So as you can see, this is my food diary. I'm going to scroll down to lunch. From here, I will click the 3 dots on the corner, and then I will click copy from date at the bottom of that drop-down menu. And then I will click yesterday, click the check mark. Everything has been input again. And if I would like to update again, I can go through, I can swipe delete the cupcake. I can update the amount of the ground beef, the beefless ground beef. And I can go ahead and add that Nugo bar again, just like I did on the laptop version that I showed you previously by typing in Nugo bar, searching it, clicking add, and there we go. I am now all set with my nutrition for today. So using the copy meals from date feature not only saves you time, but also helps you stay consistent with your meal tracking. You don't have to stress about entering the same meals repeatedly, and you can focus on actually enjoying the food, and this just makes the process so much easier so that you can reach your goals better. So next time you find a meal that you love, remember this quick tip, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends.